Alright, time for this one. Oh no. Oh no, the glue is so bad. The glue is so bad. Come on. Oh dear lord. There we go. Okay, so how do I get this time? Wheeljack. Alright. Instructions. That will help, Prowl. Thank you. Sledge, help me here. Alright, pull back my camera a bit. But I'm gonna pause real quick while I sort the pieces out. Okay, I'm done sorting it. Now we start with the head. Put in the joint extender or shoulder extender, whatever you call it. It's right here. We start with the arms again. Same as before. Snap that in. Huh, it says the holes on the inside, not the outside. Alright, I'm not gonna complain it. Nemesis was on the outside, so it's kind of weird. Okay. The same for the left arm. Just injured my left hand and I'm still using my left hand for pressure. Oh. Snip. And, snip. Down there. Snip. Oh. Okay, there's no stress mark. Good, 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 good. So this one is the right hand, so there you go. Right arm, left arm, and then we attach it. Place that there, and then alright, just making sure everything's good. Now we go for Wheeljack's crotch. I guess it doesn't matter which is the front or the back. It looks the same. Yeah, whatever. So I feel like I'm missing a piece. Let me check the wrappers. No, it doesn't seem like I'm missing a piece. I feel like I am. Well, Megatron did have an extra one, so if I am missing one, I could use that. Now we do the legs, same as before. It's for the right one, this one's for the left one. Snap that in. Go for the legs. think Wheeljack's legs are identical to each other. Is there something? No, it's identical. There we go. Just add this here. We grab ourselves a foot. 2 snaps or 2 clicks. Very satisfying. Put that in there. Just grab the left one. Go. Grab this. 2 clicks. There we go. Second one. Okay, so almost done. Now Wheeljack's torso is a little bit more busy. So we grab this. This will be the windshield of his car normally. But we just slide that in. Does it peg in? Oh yeah, it does. Apply a little bit more pressure. There you go. Yeah. There's a rail there. We have to align that. There we go. Now for wheel. For the back. The back kind of looks like the front. What the heck? Kind of confusing, but that's his design. Who am I to judge? Snap that in. Grab his shoulder armor. So, same piece up there. Doesn't matter. Outside. Come on. Come on, Jackie. Come on. There you go. There we go. Now for no. For the head, I have to do this back wings first. No, oops! I got it backwards. It was backwards. Sorry. There you go. Okay, now for his head. So here's oh no, where's it? Here's his face. We'll grab that. Is it the front or the back? I'm confused. Oh, the one with paint is the front, okay. And then we attach the back side of his head here. I think that's right. Oh, there you go. Now we attach the front. And there's Wheeljack's head. The other. There you go. Now place his shoulder cannon. That was a bit. There you go. Clicked and felt loose. Okay. Here we have one of the Autobots' engineers and scientists, Wheeljack. The head's kind of tight. It feels like it's gonna break, but I have to be careful with that one. So yeah, that is Wheeljack, also known as Jackie by some people. Well, I think Bulk is the only one that calls him that, but yeah. So yeah, that is G1 Wheeljack from BLOKEES. There.